this is how you can connect your Deriv account to your MT5 trading account so that you can trade on the MT5 easily. It's very simple. Let me take you through the steps. So now when you log into your account, wherever you've been landed on either options or whatsoever, make sure you tap on CFDs. Now with your standard account over here, all you have to do is to tap on open. Now, once you tap on open, you're going to see your broker name, server, your login ID, then the last thing, your password, which obviously should be in your head, right? So you take note of the broker name. In my case, it is Deriv SVG LLC, and the server is Deriv SVG server. Then the login ID follow like that. Take note that the broker name may change based on your location. I'm in Ghana, and this is the server I've been, assigned, right? So what you have to do after here is to go straight to your MT5 application. Now, if you don't have the MT5, just go to Play Store or App Store and download this particular application, MetaTrader 5. That is the MT5 application. Now, once you open it, you may land on a page like this. Probably it will not be like this. It will be a little bit different because of the candlestick color. I had to change mine, so don't worry about that. Now, once you are here, the next thing that you want to do is to tap on these three dots, hamburger menu over here. Tap on it. Over here you see manage account. That's if you already have an account, you will see manage accounts. If you don't have an account, you see a plus sign to just tap on, then you go ahead from there. So I'm going to tap on manage account from here, and over here I'll tap on a plus sign over here. Then where you see find broker, I'll just start typing the name of the broker. I am assuming that brokers have not been aligned over here already, so I'll just type Deriv SVG, then it will pop up over here. Once it popped up, I just have to tap on it. Once I tap on it, I have to make sure my server is the same as the one that we saw on the website, which is Deriv SVG server. This particular one, I have to select it. Now I need to input my login detail. I just have to go back to the website, then just copy it over here, come back to the MetaTrader 5, just paste it right here. Then I'll go ahead and input my password. From here, once I'm done with that, I'll just hit on login, and that is it. Very simple. So if you find this video helpful, just go ahead and hit that like button on this video, and also stay tuned for more videos, right? I'll see you in the next one.